This video will demo how to use the advertising widget within VBO. First, we need to set up the advertisements we want to use. To do that, we can go into Setup, scroll down to our More option, and then choose Advertising. Here you'll see that I already have a default ad set up. I'm just going to go ahead and expand this. You'll see that we have the default tag right here. So I use this in basically all my widgets, so if I don't have any current advertisements running, this will show as the default to let patrons know that we do have advertisement options available. So to create an advertisement, we'll click on Add Advertisement here. We'll give it a name. So I made up the Zucchini Restaurant. Then we can add a link directly to the advertiser's preferred website, because if a patron does click on the advertisement, they will be directed to the link that you put here. Here we can use the Show on Event Page option to add our file, and you'll see that the specs are here for what you need to use to upload. We'll click on Choose File, and I'm going to insert my advertisement here. And then you can also have the option to show this advertisement on your e-tickets and order confirmations. So I'm going to click Add Advertisement. And then we'll go into the Manage option and click Edit. And here you'll see that we have added the option to add tags after the ad is created. So I'm going to give this a restaurant tag. And you can add as many tags as you want to an advertisement. The tags provide the widget the information it needs in order to pull the advertisements that you want on a specific widget. So I'm going to use the advertising widget to show all of our pre-theater restaurant partners on the ticket page so the patrons know our preferred restaurants within the area. If we scroll down, we can see a preview of the ad that's going to be used. And then we can click Save and Close. Now we want to create the widget. And we can do that by going into the white label and into widgets. Then we can click Add Widget up here, give it a name. Like I said before, I want to create a restaurant advertising widget. Then use the widget type drop down to choose advertising widget. And you'll see that all we have to choose from are the tags. So I want all my restaurant advertisements to show. Then I also want to have the default ad show. So then I'm going to click Add Widget, and then here we can go into the Manage option again and click Edit, and you'll see that now we have the option to choose our ad quantity. So if I only have the number 1 selected here, only one ad will show at a time. But if you have 4 or 5 restaurants that you want to advertise, you can choose how many ads you want to show at one time. So they'll stack on top of each other within the advertisement, and you can have up to 10 ads showing at once. So I just want to have, we'll say 2. So I would have 2 restaurants show at a time, and every time the page refreshes, different advertisements will automatically show. Then we'll hit Save and Close. Here you'll see that you have the option to add your own CSS code, and you can still use the default that VBO provides you. I'll click Save CSS there and close out. And then here you have the option to preview your ad. So this is how it would stack on my website. If I only want one to show at a time, I can go back in and edit and choose 1, click Save and Close, and then click Preview. And then every time the page refreshes, a new ad would show here. Or if I want to get rid of a tag or add a different tag, I can unselect it, click Save and Close, and then I can go back to my preview, and you'll see that my restaurant ad is the only one showing right now. Then all you have to do is click View the Embed Code, and then follow directions for placing this embed code in the body of your website where you want the widget to show.